These are Precision LCAs for a 2011 through 14 Ford Edge, and these are through O Reilly, and apparently they give you a grease cert for the ball joint, and they give you 3 bolts.
Just give you that one too.
I don't know why you got 3 bolts. What do you need 3 bolts for?
Well, this would be a third. Is there a little bitty one in there?
Oh, it might be, but that's for this. Yeah, that's a stabilizer link. No, I don't know. They give you 3 bolts. I'm not sure what you get, what the 3 bolts are for, but this bolt here is not going to fit that, but it will fit these right here. I'm going to say
you get a small one. How about it's for this length?
You put your grease cert right here. So this is greasable, so you can do that. It's pretty stiff, so I'm going to say overall it's pretty much manufactured the same way. Rubber is the same. Yep, it's pretty much a standardized part, whoever makes it. But at least you do get, I don't know, is that the ball joint? Is that the bolt for the ball joint?
Oh, could be.
Yeah, I bet you that's the ball joint.
Too long
bolt.
for the.
That's the ball joint.
Too long for that.
Yeah, that's for the ball joint right there, and those are for right here. So Precision has a little bit of a head start. They didn't give you this bolt, but they do give you these and the ball joint. So you only have to buy 1 bolt if it's rusty, and that is for the horizontal mounted bolt that goes into the captive nut on the frame. But overall, I would say that hey, this is the first LCA I've seen that came with a ball joint bolt and nut, and the 2 and the Zerk fitting, and the 2 bolts for the LCA mounting bracket here. So hey, that's what you get when you go through O'Reilly's and buy their Precision.